What's up, everybody? Welcome back to John's Backyard Garage. So today we are going to be installing this here capacitor. Onto my compressor. So give me a second here, let me get set up and I'll take a video and I'll show you what's going on. Okay, so the issue that I'm having with my compressor is when I flip the power on, it sits there and hums. It doesn't do anything. So my last video, I took this all apart and I got it, I checked the internals. There was nothing hitting, nothing causing it to not work. So now it's just a capacitor. So let me get this cover off here. I'll get the capacitor and then I'll show you how we install that. Okay, so there's 6 screws. 3 over here, 3 over here, holding this cover on. Just gonna wipe it off a little bit. I was doing some fiberglassing on my boat, just making a center console, so this got all nasty. First thing you want to do is you want to unplug this. Make sure that's unplugged. Then you're gonna remove these here, the connections to that capacitor. Okay, so here's what I found after looking into this. These connectors are actually screwed on. There's a nut and a bolt that hold them on. It's just a Phillips, so you're gonna have to peel that shrink tube back, and then you'll have to take your screwdriver and unscrew those. So give me a second here. Since the new capacitor is different, I'm gonna be snipping these. And I'll be putting new connections on here. So let me get you set up and I'll get a video of that. Okay. There's 2 white wires. We're going to twist those together. And the reason I put a yellow connector on, because since these are twisted together, they go into one, so I got to extend the lead. Take our yellow connection, strip it down, twist the end, put this connector on, crimp it down. Next, we're going to take our capacitor. We're going to put one lead on here, the other lead on here. This does not matter. all this does is stores energy. Point those up. And then we're going to secure it like it was secured before. Okay, next we're going to do, we're going to come over here, we're going to plug in the power. And then we're going to see if it works. Which it does not. And there goes the breaker. Well guys, unfortunately I wasn't able to get the compressor fixed. Most likely the motor is now bad. So what I'm going to do is I'll probably just have to get a new compressor. I've gotten this one to start by taking off this relief valve, letting it roll until this warms up, and once it's hot, then I can turn it off, put the relief valve in, and then kick it back on, and that's worked for me. But if it's doing this, most likely it's the motor, it's junk, and it's not strong enough. I don't know if the magnets are bad. I'm not going to take it apart. It doesn't matter. It was a cheap compressor. I think I still have the warranty on it, so we'll check that. But thanks for watching. I wish I could have fixed it, but I can't. I'm going to go pick up a pressure washer later, so that will be my next video. So I got to get it going for my brother-in-law, and also I want to get get everything running. So thanks a lot, guys. Have a good day, and we'll see you later.